Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be making this dashing purse. So guys, I'm going to be starting with a pattern, the measurement, the length 12.5, the width 10.6 inches. Guys, please make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end. And also guys, please make sure you watch out for my next video. I'll be making a tutorial about gusset, all evening purses gusset, the shape, how to get the shape, how to cut out the pattern. So please guys, stay glued to this channel and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to get more updates from me. So after taking the measurement of the pattern which had been cut out, I'm just going to glue my foam to this leatherboard. The name of the leatherboard I'm making use right now is called Khembuzz. So after rubbing this energy gum on my leatherboard, after putting my foam, gluing the leatherboard on my foam, then I'm just going to take the fabric I'll be working on, then just glue my fabric to the leatherboard. I'm done with the outer part of this bag, so I'm just going to go to the inner part, which I'm going to be using my cheap bird leatherboard for the lining part. So the length is 12.2 while the width is 10.5. So I'm just going to apply my energy gum as usual. Just apply the gum to the board and just wrap it with my lining. Guys, I'm making use of shiny face lining for the inner part of my bag. Guys, I'm through with the lining aspects and I'm through folding my outer part with my fabric. So the next thing is just to work on the pocket aspect. The pocket length is 2.2 inches while the width is 5.5 inches. So I'm just going to wrap my pocket, and after wrapping the pocket, I'm just going to stitch the pocket and work on my gusset aspect. So I'm through with the pocket part. This is the gusset aspect. Like I said earlier, I'll be doing a video soon where I'll be showing you how you can get your gusset pattern, like the measurement and how you can cut out the shape. So I'll be doing a video about it soon. Please guys, make sure you subscribe. Guys, I'm still working on the inner part of this bag. This is a stock rivet, so just look for the center, use your puncher to punch a hole to your inner part lining and make a measurement of 0.5 from the pocket and just punch a hole to it. After fixing your magnets, you fix your rivet, that is your chain holder. Just fix everything and it's just gonna come out beautiful. So after this, the next thing is just to glue my gusset to the inner part of this bag. Just apply gum to the back, apply gum to my gusset, glue everything together. Make sure it is dried before you start gumming everything together. So guys, this is the finishing aspect of this job. You need to be very careful at this point. You don't want your job to look very messy. You want it to look very beautiful and neat. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to apply your gum in a very neat way, and you need to wait for your gum to dry very well before gluing them together. So basically guys, this is the end of today's video. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you picked one or two things from this tutorial. Please, if you like this tutorial, kindly click on the like button. And guys, please, if you have any question, drop your question under the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification button for new updates from me. I love you all, and God bless you.